Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming NAT and basic routing so Forza can communicate freely. First, check your console/PC shows NAT as open, strict or moderate blocks matchmaking. Once done, restart your modem and router to clear transient routing issues. Make sure you switch to wired Ethernet if available to reduce packet loss. Next, enable UPnP in your router settings or manually forward essential Forza ports, such as 3074 UDP/TCP, because open ports prevent dropped connections during races. You'll now dig into Diagnostics to identify where packets are failing. Run the built-in network test on your PC or console and record latency and packet loss numbers. These pinpoint ISP or local issues. Once recorded, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus to see if they're blocking game traffic. If performance improves, add Forza as an exception. Then run traceroute and repeated pings to Xbox Live endpoints to spot hops with high latency. Make sure to test again on a wired link so Wi-Fi noise isn't masking problems. You'll finish by resetting local network state and verifying game integrity to remove lingering faults. Flush DNS and renew your IP on PC or restart the console to clear stale routes. Reboot router after changes so they apply. Verify Forza game files via the launcher or reinstall if you suspect corruption, because bad files can mimic network errors. If issues persist, try an alternate DNS or a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP routing. If that fails, contact your ISP or Xbox support with your Diagnostics data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.